Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole. This is the 10th video in the series of thermodynamics for ESET examination in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. Let's get started. First question reads, engine pistons are usually made of aluminum alloy because, so here engine pistons are made with aluminum alloy. Why? Because it is very lighter. So aluminum is very lighter, that's why used to produce or make pistons. Next question reads, the air fuel ratio of petrol engine is controlled by. The air fuel ratio of the petrol engine is controlled by. So this is a device, so which we can see in the figure. So the device is called as carburetor. So carburetor is used to mix the air and fuel. Next question reads, Morse test can be conducted for. Morse test can be conducted for. So it is to find out the performance of the multi-cylinder engines. As we can see in the figure of 4 cylinders, so Morse test is going to conduct for multi-cylinders. Next question reads, in a 4-stroke cycle engine, the sequence of operations is. So the sequence of operations is very important. So that is suction, compression, expansion, exhaust. So A is the correct answer. Next question reads, heat engine uses dash for energy to produce mechanical work. Heat engine uses thermal energy to produce mechanical work. So as the name indicates that heat engine is nothing but heat, that is nothing but thermal. So heat engine uses thermal energy to produce mechanical work. Next question reads, which of the following is not an internal combustion engine? Which of the following is not an internal combustion engine? So gas engine, Wankel engine, jet engine, these three are IC engines, but Stirling engine is not an IC engine. So this is a Stirling engine. A Stirling engine is a heat engine that is operated by a cyclic compression and expansion of air or other gas at different temperatures such that there is a net conversion of heat energy to mechanical work. Next question reads, scavenging is usually done to increase. So scavenging is very important process. This is usually done to increase power output. So what exactly mean by scavenging? In an internal combustion engine, scavenging is the process of replacing the exhaust gas in a cylinder with a fresh air or fuel mixture. Very simple. Replacing exhaust gas with fresh fuel means automatically whatever the exhaust gas are there, sending them out of the cylinder, so are pushing or forcing out of the cylinder of exhaust gases is called as scavenging. After sending exhaust gases out from the cylinder, then only we can allow the fresh fuel. Next question reads, which of the following medium is compressed in a diesel engine cylinder? Which of the following medium is compressed in a diesel engine cylinder? So only air will suck in the suction stroke, whereas in petrol engines, their air and fuel mixture will come into the engine cylinder in suction stroke, but in diesel engines only air will come into the engine cylinders in the suction stroke. Next question, which of the following is not used in 4-stroke compression ignition engines, CI engines? CI engines are nothing but diesel engines. So which of the following is not used in 4-stroke CI engines? So that is spark plug. Because of in SI engines or in petrol engines, spark plug is required, but in CI engines spark plug is not required. So here we'll use fuel injector in CI engines. So spark plug used in petrol engines. Next question, in 2-stroke engine there is 1 power stroke in dash of crankshaft rotation. So this angle is very important. In 2-stroke it is 360 degrees of crankshaft rotation. So 1 power stroke means 360 degrees rotation of the crankshaft in 2-stroke engines. Next question, the thermodynamic cycle on which the petrol engine works. Petrol engine works on Otto cycle, very important. Next question, in 4-stroke engine there is one power stroke in dash of crankshaft rotation. Just now we seen that in two stroke engine one power stroke is equals to crankshaft rotation of 360 degrees, but four stroke it is double, means 720 degrees. So four stroke means 2 times rotation of crankshaft, so that is 720 degrees. Next question, the compression ratio in a compression ignition engine is generally in between. So in CI engines compression ratio is between 14 to 23, whereas in SI engines that is lesser or less than this CI engines. The ratio of maximum volume to the minimum volume of the space enclosed by the piston of an internal combustion engine during a full stroke, that is called as compression ratio. Next question, the size of inlet valve of an engine in comparison to exhaust valve. We can see exhaust valve and inlet valve. So size of inlet valve is bigger or smaller than exhaust valve. Let's see. So inlet valve is more than exhaust valve. Next question, a spark plug gap is kept from. A spark plug gap is kept from 0.3 to 0.7 mm. So there should be a gap. So that gap is 0.3 to 0.7 mm. Next question, a carburetor is used to supply. So carburetor is very important device. This is used to supply, I think petrol and air. Last option is correct. So that is petrol and air is mixed and atomized in the carburetor. Next question, if petrol is used in diesel engine, what happens? So if petrol is used in diesel engines, automatically it produces high knocking. Higher knocking will occur by pouring the petrol in diesel engines. So next question, which of the following does not relate to a compression ignition engine? So which of the following does not relate to a CI engine, that is carburetor, because of carburetor used in petrol engines, not in diesel engines. Next question, a petrol engine has compression ratio. Just now we seen the compression ratio of diesel engine, that is 14 to 23, but petrol engine's compression ratio is just 6 to 10. Next question, the thermal efficiency of two-stroke cycle engine is dash a four-stroke cycle engine. So when we compare the thermal efficiency of two-stroke with four-stroke, what happens? So two-stroke cycle thermal efficiency is always less than four-stroke cycle engine. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole.